First step is to take the bolt and put it through this side to make sure there's nothing obstructing it in there. If there is something preventing it from going in, push it in and then just give it a tap to push the bolt through. And take it out and then make sure that you put this piece through like that. Spin this around until it lines up with the hole and it pushes right in to that hole. Once it's pushed in, you'll see that it comes out the other side and you can screw that on. Put it to the desired angle and tighten.